The world of bears, nature's giants. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we will step into the mysterious and wild world of bears, massive creatures that are also incredibly intelligent and agile. We saw 8 different bear species spread across the world, from polar bears to pandas. Each species has its own unique and fascinating characteristics. Let's explore bears, their habitats, hunting behaviors, social lives, and the challenges they are facing. This will be a 20-minute exciting journey, so stay tuned. Biological characteristics of bears. Bears are part of the Carnivora order, in the family Ursidae. They are large animals with strong, muscular bodies and a high ability to adapt to various environments. Below are some notable bear species. Polar bear, Ursus maritimus, known as the king of the Arctic. Polar bears weigh between 350 to 700 kilogramos, with thick white fur and a layer of fat under the skin to combat extreme cold. Brown bear, Ursus arctos. Brown bears have several subspecies, such as the grizzly bear in North America and the Kodiak bear on the Kodiak Islands. They are among the largest bears, with body lengths of up to 2.8 meters. Panda bear, Ailuropoda melanoleuca, a unique bear species from China. Pandas are herbivores, mainly living off bamboo. Their black and white fur is easily recognizable, and they are beloved worldwide. Asian black bear, Ursus tibetanus. This species is smaller than others, with black fur and a distinctive white ube shape on their chest. They mainly live in high mountains and tropical forests in Asia. Bears have strong teeth, powerful claws, excellent vision, and an exceptional sense of smell. Although they belong to the Carnivora order, bears have a varied diet that includes fish, small animals, fruits, and plants. Habitats and distribution. Bears can survive in a wide range of geographical regions, and each species has a unique habitat, from the icy Arctic to the humid tropical rainforests. Polar bears. These bears live in the icy regions of the Arctic and rely on their exceptional swimming skills to hunt prey, particularly seals. However, climate change is melting the ice and reducing their living space. Brown bears and grizzlies. They are widely distributed across North America, Europe, and Asia. Grizzly bears often live in mountainous and prairie areas, while European brown bears thrive in dense forests. Panda bears. Pandas only inhabit bamboo forests in China, where they find their main food source, bamboo. Spectacled bear, Tremarctos ornatus, the only bear species in South America. Spectacled bears live in the Andes Mountains. They are named for the white rings around their eyes that resemble glasses. Hunting behavior and diet. Though bears are carnivores, their diet is quite diverse and flexible depending on the species and habitat. Polar bears. They are the most skilled hunters among bears, primarily hunting seals. They use their strength and speed to catch prey underwater, and they can smell seals from a distance, patiently waiting to strike beneath the ice. Brown bears and grizzlies. These bears are excellent fishers, especially during the salmon spawning season. Brown bears also eat insects, berries, and sometimes large animals like deer if the opportunity arises. Pandas. Despite being in the carnivore family, pandas mostly eat bamboo. They have specially developed teeth to crush bamboo and digest its fibrous content. Pandas can spend up to 12 hours a day eating. Asian black bears and sloth bears. These two species have a varied diet, including insects, fruits, and honey. Their long claws help them dig into termite mounds or extract insects from tree trunks. Social behavior and habits. Bears are solitary animals, mostly living alone except during mating season or when a mother is raising her cubs. Their behavior varies depending on the species and environment. Polar bears. These bears mainly live alone on large ice sheets and only gather during the breeding season. They are excellent swimmers and can swim tens of kilometers in search of food. Brown bears and grizzlies. Although mostly solitary, they gather in the fall when salmon migrate, which is one of the few times they aren't too competitive with each other. Pandas. Quiet and mostly nocturnal. Pandas are skilled climbers. They spend most of their day eating and resting. Spectacled bears. These bears are quite peaceful and less aggressive than other bear species. They tend to avoid human contact and live in remote areas. Reproduction and cub rearing are important aspects of bear life. A mother bear typically gives birth to 1 to 3 cubs and raises them for 2 to 3 years before they are independent. Mother bears are very protective of their cubs, especially when they are young and vulnerable. Endangerment and conservation status. Bears are currently facing several threats, including habitat loss, poaching, and climate change. Polar bears are the most affected by climate change, with melting Arctic ice shrinking their hunting grounds. forcing them to travel farther and face starvation. Pandas, despite successful conservation efforts, pandas remain endangered as their natural habitat continues to shrink. Brown bears and grizzlies. In many places, brown bears are hunted or face conflict with humans as their living spaces are reduced. However, many conservation programs have been implemented to protect these species. Global conservation efforts are being made by organizations like WWF and IUCN. Natural reserves and national parks are being established to protect bears from poaching and habitat loss. The future of bears and a call for conservation. Bears play a vital role in natural ecosystems, helping to balance plant and animal populations. To protect bears, each of us can contribute by raising awareness, supporting conservation programs, and avoiding illegal hunting. Let's take action to protect these giants of nature, for they are not only symbols of strength but also proof of Earth's balance and biodiversity. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any upcoming videos about the wild animal world.